Another episode of Cooking Dave in the Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I made these chicken dumplings. Very easy to do. Just follow along my instructions and I'll show you how I do. We're going to chop these or cut these into cubes. I want 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, canola oil or any kind of oil. Next you want your chopped cubes, chicken breast, into the pan, all of it. Okay, what you want to do, this helps with the flavor. You want to put the skin with it. You want to cook that skin with it, because that skin has flavor with it. Next you want a cup, 2 cups of water. Maybe about good enough right there. I put 1 chicken cube in here, just 1, because 2 would make it a little too potent. And you want to use this or any other kind of brand that you like. Next you want to add a pinch of this salt or regular salt, whatever salt you like. This one has a better flavor. I'm going to put a little bit of thyme into your batter, thyme leaves. Give us a good stir. Yeah. See, you want to get that skin in there, because that skin gives it some flavor. Half a teaspoon of garlic salt. I mean onion salt. You don't want to put no garlic. Drain this. This is pretty much done. I just tried a piece of it and it was done. Okay, we're going to drain this. Okay, we're going to drain this right here. Come back in a minute. That's what we're left with that good chicken broth. And we're going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. Thing you want to do, you want to grab a metal whisk and you want to whisk that in very good. We're going to put this back on the burner. Come back in a few minutes. You want to add in about 2 cups of chicken broth to this, and then we're going to whisk this very well. Look at the thickness that's coming out in the end. You want to make sure you don't get any lumps in it though. That's why I'm using a whisk on this. You don't want to use a plastic whisk because it can melt your whisk. I'm going to buy some biscuit mix already made within a can. It don't have to be name brand, it could be off-brand biscuits, but it would be work just as good. And I'll show you what you want to buy some biscuit mix already made within a can. It don't have to be name brand, it could be off-brand biscuits, but it would be work just as good. And I'll show you what you want to do is you want to take a handful of your dough, your biscuit dough, it's already been cut up, and you just want to start putting it in here into your and what that will do is help pull it up and stuff. Get in there, you want to stir it out real good, get it all. And then we'll put it back on a burner and work on the chicken part. Put the meat in the way it is, or you can grind it up. My mom don't have no teeth, so I'm going to have to put it in here, make it finer for her. So I'll be back. We're going to put it on. Up right here. Not too much. Like that. I'm looking for that texture right there. Anyways, we're gonna put this straight into the pot. Straight over into the pot right here. Take the lid off there. Oh, that's looking good right there. Okay. All that. Okay, that's good enough. In the little pot, so it's fogging up.
chicken and dumplings. Now we're going to do a taste test on this. Oh my god, that is good. There is a lot of chicken flavor, a chicken stock, and also what the chicken put off by boiling the chicken. Oh my god, that's a good flavor, and plus the chicken cubes. That is so delicious. Anyway, the recipe will be down in the description below. Check out my video. Subscribe. If you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get all of my notification videos. And y'all have a blessed day.